In the video for today, I'm going to show you how to record your screen on a Windows 10 PC without downloading any software. Hello my friend, my name is Kenneth Brown. Welcome to channel CygnaTech, and how are we doing today? I hope fantastic. So basically, if you want to record your screen on a Windows 10 PC, maybe for your YouTube channel, or maybe for a blog, or maybe for work, normally you would go ahead and get a screen recording software, install it on your computer system and use it, right? But let me tell you one thing, you actually do not have to do that if you have a Windows 10 PC. By default, Windows 10 already has a screen recorder. You could also do screenshots and so many things, and this is all for free of cost. So let me show you how to get the screen recorder on your computer system. So once you are on your laptop or your PC, you could just go ahead and press the Windows and the G button together. Once you do that, you get a pop-up like this, on which you could see that there are a lot of small windows through which you could actually control the recorder. So this is basically the Xbox or the on-screen recorder for Windows 10. Once you have this opened up out here, the first thing for you to do is adjust your settings so that you have a clear screen. So the first thing is, if you want to go ahead and change the output for your speaker, you could change it out here. Okay, you could just click on scroll down and you would get all the available options for whatever speakers you have on your PC. Okay, so whichever speaker you want to use when you are actually doing a screen recording, you could select that out here. Next, if you want to allow system sounds, you could do that out here by unmuting this. Okay, beeps from your computer, sounds from websites and stuff like that, you could actually block or unblock them out here. I'm sure you get it. The next thing is voice. If you click on voice, you would get an option to select the microphone that you would want to use to speak from, or the microphone that is going to record your voice. Next, your CPU's performance would be shown out here. This is not important, you could close it. Once you have this set, you could close this also. Now the next thing is, you could go through this widget menu. If you want, you could change the settings. If you click on the settings gear icon, you would get a pop-up like this. There's a menu to the left, and you are going to get details about what version the Xbox game bar is of, shortcuts, accounts, whatever accounts you are using for this specific application. You can go through the widget menu, which is available through this specific pop-up. Something important here is this part, capturing. You click on capturing and you will get some options out here. Just ensure that this is selected to all. Once you do that, you could close this or exit out, and you could start recording your screen by clicking on this specific button. Okay, or alternatively, you could also click on the Windows Alt and R button to start recording straight away from your computer system. So let's do this. Click on the record button, and to the right here you could see a menu like I explained to you earlier. Once you are done with the recording, you could press on the stop recording option, and you are going to get an option to see all your screen captures out here. Okay, and if you want to maybe take a screenshot during your recording, you could just click on this button real quick, and you are going to get a screenshot of that specific moment. Simple and easy, right? I hope this was interesting. Subscribe and hit the bell notification icon, and always share my content. Take care, my friend.